Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday to you all. It's July 10th. Another light news day today, or economic news scheduled. We just got the wholesale inventories for the month of May. So back in April, we had a 0.4% increase, and they stocked up in the month of May. So that's a pretty good sign because they're gearing up for expecting sales to pick up a little bit, or businesses to start buying more. So when you see wholesale inventories stocking up, they're projecting that things will pick up a little bit. So that's a good sign there. Next week, we'll have a bit more economic news. Monday will be kind of a light day, but moving on from there, we'll have some inflation numbers, we'll have some housing numbers, and we'll also retail sales, as well as some manufacturing numbers as well next week. So be prepared for a little bit of volatility, but also prepare for some volatility, which we'll get into on Monday. Stock market's currently up. We've been kind of touching 200 on the Dow so far this morning. It's all due to some optimism. So right now it's more emotion-based rather than logical. Greece had given some proposals closer to what the lenders' demands were. So they're hopeful that they conclude this and prevent from Greece from exiting, and that this can be resolved. So they're hopeful that this can be resolved. So right now it's based on optimism. Now also with the sharp rebound in the Chinese stocks. So when stocks rebound in China, their the concerns kind of waved a little bit and kind of helping out a little bit. And then Janet Yellen had a speech earlier today in Cleveland to a group of people, and one of the things she did mention is that she does foresee things kind of going in line, and that we'll need to go ahead and raise rates at some point in the later part of the year to kind of normalize policies and such. So she kind of reiterated that today. But again, Monday, if things don't work out well with Greece, so expect some volatility, and things could come down in terms of the stock market, which would obviously help out the bond market. As you can see, we had a pretty big sharp. So as stock market's been taken off, it's taken money from the bond market. So rates have been kind of pricing for interest rates have been creeping up and going into the stock market. So that's what you kind of see, that big sharp over the last 2 days. As we kind of reach certain points, as you see, we've touched that, we'll kind of pull back a little bit. So, but with this increasing, me personally, I don't think I'm not really too bullish about it. I'm more bear about it. I don't think things are going to work out too well on that. Not to sound negative, but I just don't see things happening. And plus, you got other countries on the horizon that could be having issues down the line as well. So, but we'll see. Monday, I guess, will be more of a telltale as to where things go in that direction. All right, folks. Hey, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on Monday. Take care.